Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2011 Harley-Davidson TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic with 22,371 miles runs and rides well and passes New Hampshire State inspection. It's been upgraded with an open-air intake, windshield trim, an LED headlight, LED driving lights, rear fender trim, front speaker grille inserts, gauge trim, foot brake pedal, cylinder headwheel bridges, an inner primary cover, and luggage rack. Along with standard and full dressers, the TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic offers everything the Electra does on the stability of three wheels. It's powered by Harley's time-tested 103 cubic inch twin-cam motor that puts 100 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With spacious storage and comfortable accommodations, this is an easy vehicle to spend the day on. It weighs in at 1,202 pounds and has a seat height of 28.3 inches. It comes from the factory with cruise control, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, CB radio, and an intercom. This vehicle has received our premium service in detail and comes covered under a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.